If you are looking for an amazing massage chair that is easy to put together, feels absolutely amazing, has a great touchscreen, you're absolutely going to love this one by Real Relax. Let's take a closer look. All right, so to plug this on, super simple, just plug it into an outlet. You're gonna turn this on right over here. Also comes with a power cord. Really cool function. This is on wheels, so it makes it super easy to move as well. So let's get into the massage functions. All right, we have this chair in our basement. I pulled it out for you guys so we could take a closer look. This is gonna be your control panel right over here. We'll get into that in a second, but this is where you're gonna put your feet to get massaged, right over there. You have multiple balls in here. They're kind of hard to see through the padding. You got your calves right over here. This will recline as well, so if you want your feet down or you want your feet up, no problem, they got you covered. Over here is where you're gonna get your arms massaged. So you're just gonna put your arms right into there, which is great. Over here, we're gonna get like the back and neck area. And then up here is gonna be where your shoulders get massaged, which is super great. When this whole thing, when you're getting a full body massage using this, it feels absolutely amazing. I'm gonna show you how to power this up, and then we're gonna go over all the functions and different massages you could get using the control panel. All right, this is going to be our control panel, which is going to control everything. This is nice. It just comes off the stand. You can literally just hit this on. It's automatically going to start. You can see it's lifting back right over here. So it's going to start to elevate you right over here. You could already see it's selecting areas they're going to target. It automatically goes to a full body. You could see that moving over there. It gives a great massage. Lots of pressure. We got the arms going. We got the feet going down here, the calves going. If you wanted to change it to kneading, you could do that as well. And you'll see right over there, it adjusts everything for you, which is really, really nice. I personally just like the auto mode. So I'll go auto 1, and that will be absolutely amazing. You could do 0 gravity as well, which is really, really nice. So that will put the thing fully back for you. So you'll be all the way reclined back. Your feet will be up as well, which is nice. You'll see here, it's going for 20 minutes. If you wanted to put some heat on that, you could easily just hit that right there, and that's gonna start to heat for you. You could see there. If you wanted to turn the foot rollers off or on, you could do that as well. Just a really, really great unit. This also comes with an app, so you could do all these controls from there. It also has Bluetooth, so you can connect your music to you if you want to do that. You could just, there's so many different adjustments that you could do. If you wanted to turn the 0 gravity off, you're just going to hit that and it's going to start to go back down. The functionality on this is absolutely amazing. And it just feels really, really great. And last but not least, they have an awesome instruction booklet that walks you through everything you need to know. It walks you through this remote control. It shows you all the different remote control key features right over here. So if you were ever wondering what to set and how to do that, super easy. You'll have this direction over here. So if you want to do a custom massage, it shows you exactly how to do that. It is super easy. Like I said before, I like the auto, but if you want to do a custom one, you could do that too. This is going to be how you sync the music. Overall, super easy to set up. This is the installation, which was super easy. So if you're looking for a great massage chair that gives an excellent massage, is easy to set up, easy to use, and is just awesome on wheels, doesn't take up a ton of space, you're absolutely going to love this. It also comes in different colors as well. I opted to get the blue, but it also comes in black and another color. So if you're looking for a great massage chair, definitely check this one out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.